it's really you did a very good job actually. So with your experience put all together, 17 years of experience all together, and it's structured in a way in just 17 to 18 hours. Very good understanding. Like whatever points you have tried to explain. So it is very useful to us to understand at least 70%, 60 to 70% I would have understand it. So it is very good. Thank you. Because for me, it is very new to cards and payment industry. So I got an opportunity to work recently, so that I am trying to acquire more knowledge in cards and payments. I don't know in which part I'm going to work it. So, but it is a very good understanding actually. Like now I can tell that like I can at least talk about 2 minutes each topic now. So
Hi, Ramesh. Yeah, regarding the training, it was very helpful, and I've been following you since I joined my last working firm. So it's been quite a, you can say, 10 years, around 7 to 8 years, you can say. And I've been following your YouTube videos. So if this is for the first time, I have also attended your last session regarding the how to opt the field of business analyst or the career growth, you can say, no? The roadmap. I was also there, so I opt to get this training from you. It's very helpful, and yeah, we'll keep in touch with you. And thanks for this session.
Thank you. Thank you very much.